Green Ground, a construction game to help your plant grow. How does it work? First, choose your pot. Then you assemble the trunk and start building. Let your imagination take the lead. You can place it wherever you want and shape it the way you like. Our product is laser cut, which shows a 4mm thick okumi plywood that is highly resistant to water. Our designs offer your plants all the support they need. Green Ground. More than a game, more than a stake, it's a way to grow.